right?
Yes, we've never been told we have choices. Guys, we have started the recording. So today is our, I don't know, need to say, just say the date. We are getting together to chat about fun aging. And today is the 5th, May 2020. Welcome, guys, to it. And I'm so glad that you've chosen to be here. And how much fun can we have once at least every week? Actually, Bindu suggested that we should have it on Sundays. So we will have it on Sundays. And we will give the book reading of Chutti on Sundays.
Yes.
And that will be really nice. Because now, some
will
people...
Will it be then 8 o'clock in the
Sorry?
morning on Sunday? It'll be at 8 o'clock on
I
Sunday?
think we'll do it at 8 o'clock because then it'll be nice. You know, people don't like to come at 9 to 10. There's so much to do at home.
Yeah, true.
Even I would prefer 8 o'clock.
So we'll have it on next Sunday, the same time, 8 to 10, 8 to 9. So come out with your questions. Let's play. And all that you think you have to do anything or you have to be anything, or all the points of views and belief systems and DJCCs and PES juniors that you are functioning from, would you be willing to destroy and kill it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, popcorn, on short, boys and beyonds. For Renu, PES juniors is Renu. P stands for projections. E stands for expectations. S stands for separations. J stands for judgment. And R stands for rejection. जब हम प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं कि किसी को हमारे साथ ऐसे करना चाहिए, वैसे नहीं करना चाहिए, फिर हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, एक प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं कि बंदा ऐसा है, और उस सेम टाइम पे ये चीजें उस बंदे को करनी चाहिए, और फिर एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो करे. ये दोनों चीजों से अगर हम हट जाएं तो हमें सेपरेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा उससे, हमें उसको उससे रिजेक्ट नहीं करना पड़ेगा उसको, और उसको जज नहीं करना पड़ेगा. जब हमारे को प्रोजेक्शन ही नहीं है, एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं है, तो फिर हम उसको अपने आप से अलग नहीं करेंगे ना, उसको जज नहीं करेंगे ना, उसको रिजेक्ट नहीं करेंगे ना, किसने किया ही नहीं. ये सबसे ज्यादा चीजें हमें सोचने की हैं हर टाइम पे कि ये क्या मैं प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हूँ इसके ऊपर कि ये काम मेरे लिए करेगा, और क्या मैं सच्ची मुच्ची एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि ये जरूर कर देगा. मैं क्या प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हूँ उसके ऊपर और क्या एक्सपेक्ट. ये दो चीजें अगर हम कॉन्शियस हो जाएं तो हमें सेपरेट, जज और रिजेक्ट किसी को भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा. किसी चीज को, किसी सिचुएशन को, किसी बंदे को, किसी कुछ भी, कोई इवेंट को, कुछ भी नहीं करना. वी कैन हैव फन, वी कैन हैव टोटल जॉय, वी कैन हैव टोटल फन. और जब हम प्रोजेक्ट और एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं और हमारे ऊपर लोग उतरते नहीं हैं, तो वो हमें कहीं ना कहीं इंफॉर्मेशन लॉक कर देता है बॉडी के अंदर, और वो फिर वहां पे हमारे को बीमारियां शुरू हो जाती. इफ यू वांट टू बी फ्री, if you want to be free and be you, get these two things out of your life: projections and expectations. फिर हम इसलिए बोलते हैं यहाँ वो कॉल पे आके, मैं ये रिपीट हमेशा करती हूँ कि जितने भी आपके पास पेस जूनियर्स हैं, प्रोजेक्शन, एक्सपेक्टेशन, सेपरेशन, जजमेंट एंड रिजेक्शंस हैं, और जितने डीजेसीसीज हैं, डी स्टैंड्स फॉर डिसीजन. आपने एक डिसीजन कर ली और वो उसके ऊपर उतरी नहीं, तो अब वो तो प्रॉब्लम वाली हम तो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर लेते हैं ना. अगर डिसीजन ही नहीं कोई होगी, और चलो प्लानिंग नहीं, मैं नहीं कह रही कि ना करो, डिसाइड नहीं करो कि मैं डिसीजन ही ना लो, कोई नहीं, डिसाइड करो, लेकिन सारा कुछ उसको इतना सिग्निफिकेंट और उसको इतना इम्पोर्टेंट उसको ना बना दो कि वो आपकी जिंदगी से ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाए. राइट? सिग्निफिकेंट, उसको जितना आप सिग्निफिकेंट दे देंगे, अब ये तो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया, ये तो हो जाए, ये तो होना ही चाहिए, that is when you get into trouble. When you've decided it. So that's why we say DJCC. Decision, judgment, conclusion and computation. Then you have to be ऐसे होगा तो वैसे होगा, वैसे होगा तो वैसे होगा, वैसे क्यों नहीं हुआ, ऐसे क्यों नहीं हुआ. मैं तो सिर्फ नामों से बात कर रही हूँ, और तो कोई है नहीं. एक तो बिंदु का नाम है, एक तो सागरी का नाम है. सागरी, you won't lose your, because we are just 4 of us here. Please show your face. And Bindu, you too.
No, it doesn't have to do with your internet. It has to do with my internet.
I'm just making tea and then I'll get back.
Okay.
That's the reason, not for anything else.
Okay, so you and me are the only ones at the moment, Sagri Urenu's come back. So, all the DJCCs and all the PES juniors, are you willing to destroy and uncreate all and sit here with total freedom?
Yes, yes.
Cool. How does it get any better than this? What else is possible?
This used to stick me a lot, you know. I've given my word.
What?
This used to stick me a lot.
Yeah, मैंने तो कह दिया.
I've given my word.
Yeah, अब मैं
I
कैसे
have to.
Yeah.
I'm a lot easier about that now, you know.
I
if
know.
I've given my word, and if it's, you know, not feeling light, I feel the freedom to not, you know, do it anymore. That Access has given me a lot of freedom, I would say. Yeah.
Awesome. Gary always says, somebody says in the classes, you said this yesterday, or you said this in the last call. He says, last call? What are you talking? I can change my mind in 10-second increment.
Yes. No, and this, you know, this thing about 10 seconds, you know, I wonder about it, you know. Then I realize it is only giving us choice.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, meaning that if you, in every 10 seconds, you can make a choice, doesn't mean you have to make a different choice. It just means that you have choice.
Yeah, you have choice. You said it. Thank you so much. What all is fun for you? And what all is available? We can't even see what is available to us. What would you love to play with?
You vanished, Kamal, for a while.
I know I did, so I'll repeat it again if I remember. So what all is fun for you and what is available to you? There is so much available to you, to us, but we will only choose few things, right?
Yeah.
It's available to us कि बारिश हो रही है बाहर और जाके हम उस बारिश के नीचे खेलें, पानी में खेलें, पच करें. It's available to us. But what will stop us? कि मैं अब बच्चा नहीं हूँ, लोग क्या कहेंगे?
In the South, we don't get wet in the rain because there is a belief that we will fall ill. And I had this amazing experience when I lived in Delhi, when the first rains came. All the grandmothers and grandfathers were out in the rain. It was such a eye-opening thing for me, you know, when I was there. I said, is this possible? Everybody was out. Because, you know, it's our belief that we will fall ill. You don't get wet. Because maybe it's because of the weather. I don't know. It could be just a thought form.
Achha, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Does everybody get sick?
No.
Then who all get sick?
Those people who believe they will, I guess.
You said. You said it. You said it. So your point of view creates your reality. जो आप सोचते हो वो हो जाता है. और जो अगर आप नहीं चाहते अपनी जिंदगी में तो उसको सोचना बंद कर दो. If you were independent of your thoughts, feelings and emotions, what would your life be like? Will there be more fun? Will there be more joy, ease, and add to your glory?
Yeah, absolutely.
You would be happy-go-lucky all the time.
Yeah. Everything that binds us, confines us, and keeps us in this invisible cage, never allowing us to grow our wings and fly higher, higher. Would you please choose to destroy and uncreate all of that shit?
Yes.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, all night, short, boys and beyonds. Be vulnerable, be open. Because you know, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि ये सिर्फ मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, लोग क्या कहेंगे, और जब आप ओपन होते हो ना, लोगों की भी यही प्रॉब्लम होती है, और they get such, oh अच्छा तेरे को भी, oh अच्छा, oh that means it's okay, you get a total freedom to be you. हम सोचते हैं दूसरे बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, बहुत सियाने हैं, बहुत everything, and they don't get to have what we are having. It's not true. Any questions? Hello, hello, hello. मैं तो बोलते जा, हाँ?
Can you do some clearings on the common things that we have about aging in the sense?
And did you see? Did you check in the group? I had written about 5-7 clearings today in the morning.
No, I haven't looked. I was very busy this morning. I was getting ready for this call. I will look.
Wow! And you're not showing off. You're getting ready for this call, but where are you?
You can only hear my voice.
I know. I want to see your face. It's no fun, yeah. It's no fun. आप सोचो.
Are you attaching a lot of significance to seeing my face? Can I ask you a question?
I want everybody's face to be. I want to talk to live people. Yeah, I don't want to talk to black.
I'm very much here. Can't you sense my energies?
I like that. Very juicy. मेरे को ही.
My energies, I should not be on this call.
Kawal, मेरी बिल्ली मुझी को म्याऊं करने लगी.
I know.
We'll start off like this only, no?
What does that mean?
मतलब you what I'm saying, you telling me exactly the same thing.
That's not a idiom I'm familiar with.
Don't we usually say, I don't know how you put it, but the idioms are the same all over the world. Don't you say that, oh, I have been saying this, and now you come back and...
No, I'm sure
Yes.
we have an equivalent in Tamil, but I didn't, get that.
You didn't
I'm
get
not
it.
familiar with it. We all have it, of course we have it.
Okay, so I had put some clearings. I'm going to repeat them. Read them from the Fun Aging group. What have you made so vital about possession? Oh, it's wrong. What have you made so vital about possessing the invocation of aging that keeps you working towards death and never towards living? Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, part, all night, short, boys and beyond. So what have you chosen to create the aging and olding of you and your body? Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, part, all night, short, boys and beyond. What point of views do you have that making aging your reality? That's making aging your reality. What points of view do you have that's making aging your reality? Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, part, all night, short, boys and beyonds. All the lies and insecurities you bought growing up about what will happen when you reach a certain age, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate all that shit?
Yes.
For all eternity, right, wrong, good, bad, pop, part, all night, short, boys and beyonds. All the shit you bought about being prepared for old age, would you be willing to destroy and give that up, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, part, all night, short, boys and beyonds. What, who, where, when, why, and how would you be? And what would your lives be like if you were free and not controlled by your thoughts, feelings, and emotions, and your belief systems, and your point of views, and whatever? Would you be choosing more joy, ease, and fun?
Yes.
Everything that doesn't allow you to be there, to choose that, would you be willing to destroy again? destroy, revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all my short boys and neons. So these are the clearings that I had put.
But the reality is this, Kaval, with little, when I'm a little older, so the aches and pains are the reality.
No. No. If you buy into it, yes, it is. If you buy into it, then yes, it is. If you say कि होना है बूढ़ा हो गए, आप सुनते हो बूढ़े हो गए और पता गोडे खराब हो गए और अब हमको करवाना पड़ेगा, उसके भी हो गए कैप्स रिमूव, उसके भी रिप्लेस हो गए, उसके भी रिप्लेस हो गए, मेरे कब होंगे? तो तथास्तु आपके भी हो जाएंगे जल्दी. पर अगर आप कहते हो ये मेरे साथ तो नहीं होने वाला, what would it take for me to not invite this into my life? I am not okay. Bye. What do I need to do? Body क्या करें हम जो हम इसको हम आने ही ना दे अपने घर में? तो बॉडी बोलेगी ये करो वो करो, फिर उसकी सुनो. आप जब खाली यहाँ होगा तभी सुन पाओगे ना. जब यहाँ इतना ट्रैफिक जैम है तो दूसरे की बॉडी की यूनिवर्स के विस्पर सुनाई नहीं देते. तो वो ट्रैफिक जैम ही कम करना है. वो बार्स रन कराओ, clearings karo.
Yeah, you look a lot alike. Ah, she's back.
We even requested the internet. कहता है बहुत देर हो गई है. Okay.
तो मतलब accept नहीं करने का है. The pains and all, I don't have to accept them. ये मेरे age के साथ हो रहा है.
It's not about accepting, or it's not about accepting your pains and your problems. It's about not buying into the lie. It is a lie कि ऐसे होगा. ये झूठ है. Why would you buy the lie? Hello guys, welcome. Neha.
I can hear you.
Param.
Hello.
So it's about when you are being unconscious, when you buy into these things, you make them more
reality
important, you make them, but your reality is not that. If it was your reality, if your reality was the same as everybody's reality, then wouldn't 100% people get their kneecaps removed? Wouldn't everybody catch the cold when there is change of season? Wouldn't everybody get the specs at age 40? If it was true, wouldn't everybody get it? Okay, what do people get when I say play? What I mean is, what's play for you? Is that a word that you even have it in your dictionary? Do you even think that you can and you would choose to play?
Yes.
Cool. So what is play to you, Param?
Play to me means choices. Choices.
Okay.
Earlier I didn't know that I have a choice. Asking questions,
Okay.
And so that is I'm feeling light and heavy. I can just see my energy, I can see my awareness.
phone aa raha tha, ye dekho.
And then you would choose, anything that you would like to. So you always choose everything that you like to.
Not always, because still that that gundagardi is still there. So, but
So you think you can?
I can, because I was not acknowledging earlier, and now I started acknowledging. That yes, I did. I'm feeling that. Earlier, this is. I never stayed in that consciousness in my life, all of my life. Always looking after other people, doing things for other people. Although I'm working on myself since 20 years, but still.
You have never allowed yourself to choose greater, choose more.
That's right. So now I can, and fear of saying no.
So have you forgotten what fun is?
And yeah, I think
I
on and
have.
off, but I want to make I want to have a
Yeah.
friendship with this now.
So
Be
what is fun
conscious.
for you, Param?
Actually, what is fun for me? You're saying that one is, yeah, fun is that vulnerable freedom. I can be like, I can do what I want to do now. Earlier, the fun was like, just
So you started realizing that you can,
I
but
can.
you're still not choosing it. Don't have the guts to choose it.
Well, never choosing now, taking baby steps.
So what would it take for you to play without any projections, without any expectations, without any rejections, judgments, or conclusions? Would you allow yourself to play? And
Yes.
what is it that you have in these, say yesterday, or what did you allow yourself to do that you've never allowed yourself to do before?
See, I have these two helpers now who started coming for cleaning and all. And when we were in the morning, had that book, we had to read that. And I thought, ye ganda pada hai, I'm not liking it. Should I clean it or not? Make an infinite being who I can let it be fun for me and all, cleaning, So I asked for that cleaner and all. It was just, I asked question, which I kept it there. I couldn't find it, but then I asked another question, it was there only. So I did it very nicely, and by the time I got a message, where are you? And I was on the call. So that was I did it with a lot of fun, a lot of joy, and that gave a lot of joy, which I could not do. I would say, karna padega kya, gandhi phir hath bana padega, whatever and all. So this was I'm this little step and all, and then I always thought I stopped driving now because I got a guy who takes me here and there. And today, when I was talking about one person whom I sometimes called for driving. I said, no, I can go alone. Maybe God wants me to be on this thing and of vehicle.
God wants you to be. Where is God, poor thing?
Universe.
God wants what you want.
Universe.
Universe, God, he, she is all has your back. Do you want? That's the choice you have to make. They can't make it.
Then I sent a message, okay, I will be going alone, So that thing I got. I said, it's just so nice, I've been driving since so many years. Why I just stopped driving. So this is probably
Cool. And Renu, thank you so much, Param. Thank you so much. Renu, what is joy for you? What is fun for you?
Right now, I'm totally blank because I don't know what fun is.
No, even I didn't know. Somebody asked me years back, "Kaun sa color acha lagta hai tumhe?" And I didn't know. And the food that you would like to eat, I didn't know. I knew उसको मेरे बच्चों को कौन सा लगता है, मेरी चाची को कौन सा अच्छा लगता है, मेरी ननद को कौन सा लगता है, मेरे जेठ को कौन, मेरे ससुर को कौन सा अच्छा लगता है, मेरी माँ को. I did not know what color I wanted to wear, what color is my favorite, and what food is my favorite. Renu, I really recognize where you are. And can you please ask yourself, what joy are you missing or missed by not allowing yourself to be you? Just fitting into this reality. We lose ourselves. We don't know what we are. Anybody else who would like to share what's fun for them? Sagri, Neha, Bindu, Sharu.
Fun for me is what I'm doing right now.
Cool. How does it get any better than that? And what else?
Yes.
Anybody else wants to say that?
Can you say again or one line?
No, I said, which line?
Kamal, beach mein reh gaya tha mera, because yesterday, generally we take breakfast, lunch, dinner. And yesterday, I said, my body doesn't want to eat anything at night. And no namak shamak and all. And for the first time, I said, body, what do you want to eat? Body want to drink mango shake. In my life, first time at dinner, I had to say, okay, then I'll make 2 glasses. I said, okay, you can. And I had a mango shake at night.
How does it get any better than this? What else is possible? These simple things we miss out on, right?
Simple, very simple. I said, body, it's just breakfast time, it's lunch time, it's dinner time. Kuch kha lo ji, bana liye ji. I said, fenkna padega, main fenk dena, but maine to yahi pina hai. So this is how.
How does it get any better than this? What is
Yes.
that? Is being you.
Thank you. Thank you. Come on.
And you know, the God, universe, he, she, it, higher power, that whatever you call it or believe in it, desires you to go on this beautiful planet and have fun.
Yeah, because and the second question, since Moni, I'm saying, ki, I'll ask my this colleagues and all whatever stuff. Ki, what we want to work actually, do what will give you fun, joy, happiness. Let me ask this question, which I never ever asked myself, never asked my co-workers and all. So this problem.
Start asking you think of others.
Yes. So yes. Yeah. Thank you. And
You know, this universe is created for you. Every religion, every mythology, it says that the universe was created before man was created, right? आप Christian Bible पढ़ लो, उसमें भी in there also it's written that it took 7 days or पता नहीं how many days for the universe to come into being. And the same you read in our Hindu mythology that Shivji took that long to create the universe, and then man came into being. Why did God, he, she, it, higher power, whoever universe wanted somebody else to come? Why? What was the reason for creating man? Anybody can tell me? If such a beautiful place it was created, and then it thought of, whoever it was, the energy thought of creating a man, creating a being, creating a body. What for? Anybody has an answer here?
To enjoy the things what were in the world.
Exactly, you said it.
Having
and
fun.
What are we told? You come here to suffer.
Yeah.
यहाँ आके तुम कुछ learn करना होता है. You have to cleanse yourself. You have to wash away the old karma. You have to, all that is bloody shit. It doesn't make any sense. इतनी सुंदर जगह भगवान ने बनाई और उसके बाद वो वहां पे हमें भेजेगा जब हम चुनेंगे आने के लिए to stay here and crib, to struggle. Didn't make any sense to me. Does it make any sense to you people? What makes you come back to reincarnate again and again? What if it wasn't karma? What if karma was just a trap? Would an infinite being ever make any mistake? And who guarantees, who checks on you, who punishes you, who keeps a record of what mistakes you made in the last lifetime?
That is Kaval, that is ingrained in our mind by our
That's a lie
parents.
that we bought. That's the lie.
Now we can understand it since we met you. But then otherwise, so it was like, मेरे साथ ऐसे क्यों हुआ? It was cribbing all the time.
All the time, because we don't have, that's what everybody tells us. Would an infinite being ever make mistakes? I have a question to ask. And then make more mistakes. Then clear them and then make more mistakes. Does it ever make any sense to you? It sounds insane. Do you get the energy that it's insane?
Yes.
Doing this repeatedly, insanely, and creating more shit, and for what? To come back and suffer? Really? Seriously? Are you willing to give that point of view up?
Yes.
And anything that doesn't allow that, would you be willing to destroy and unpick it all?
Yeah, I want to say something.
Boys and beyond.
What if
you just joyously played?
Yeah.
And had fun. That's why Gary keeps repeating it. What if the purpose of life was to have fun? You take the body for the joy, the embodiment of the joy that body brings to you. How much the taste, the touch, the feel, the orgasm, everything that the body is gifting it to you. Why would you choose a body if you were not willing to have all the gifts that it is there for you. Just because it's available and you can have it. For no other reason. No justification. Param, you have to unmute yourself, darling. Mute yourself, darling. No justification at all. No becauses at all. No rights and wrongs at all. If there was nothing to win, nothing to lose, nothing to learn, if these words were not in your dictionary, what would life, living reality be then? What would life, living reality look like? If you could actually free yourself from all this dependency of these words, these people, the things, mind, relationships, what would be fun for you? How would the life look like if you were independent of all your thoughts, feelings, and emotions? Will there be more joy, ease, and more glory? To add to
Yes.
your...
Less of stress.
Why do you have stress? Because you need to fit in. Because you need to prove yourself. Because you need to belong. And that all binds us, confines us, keeps us in this invisible cage. And can you then fly? Can you then have wings? Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate all that? Guys, come on with your questions. Yeah, it's no fun me blah, 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 blabbing.
मुझे लगता है this class is for me today.
For all of us.
मुझे एक लाइन याद है मेरी ना
बोल.
मेरी मदर ने ना my father according to her she wasn't well and she says बोला मां ने दांत निकाल दिए से बीजी get a denture she said no पापा जी ठीक हो जाएंगे ਤੁਹਾਡੇ फिर लवावांगी
Speak in English. I don't think everybody understands Punjabi.
my mother you know she had to have a denture. It took her 20 years to like he say okay let your father be okay, you know, I'll get it and all. Imagine that by the time her size got changed and the poor lady waited 20 years. So I want to tell from where I have come, you know, from which family and all. So this is, if I'm doing this, probably saying and acknowledging things and all, it's a really win-win situation for me.
Thank you for being vulnerable, darling. Thank you so much for being vulnerable.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you.
So when you be vulnerable, you move out into a place where you can perceive all the collective unconsciousness. You know, there is a collective unconsciousness. Like Sagri said that there was a collective unconsciousness that you couldn't go out and have fun in the rain because you will get cold. You can perceive all the collective unconsciousness without judgment. Oh, this is the way they were living. Okay, I can choose that. I can choose something different. So therefore, you become less impacted by this reality. That's why I see people who are in access, they're shedding away their unconsciousness and they've gone more vulnerable. And when you go more vulnerable, you don't have anything locked in your areas in your body and you age less. Your body vibrates. Like I was saying yesterday, Gary's hair have started going dark. Mine have stopped. For last 5 years, I think it's the same. They haven't gone darker. They haven't gone less. I don't know about the darkness, but they haven't gone more. In 5 years, the way I was growing my hair gray, I think in 5 years, I should have had all white.